Tesla reported first quarter revenue of $22.71 billion. That was up 16% year over year. The revenue, however, missed a street consensus estimate of $22.39 billion, according to data from Benzinga Pro. Automotive revenue of $16.23 billion was up 16% year over year in that quarter. Tesla's adjusted earnings per share of 41 cents beat a street consensus estimate of 37 cents per share, so that's good. The company highlighted its progress made in infrastructure and AI, along with progress updates on FSD and robotaxis. Robotaxi paid miles nearly doubled quarter over quarter in the first year. That's good. Quote, once in production, we expect that Cybercab will begin to replace the existing Model Y fleet and will be the largest volume vehicle in the fleet over time, end quote. That came from Tesla, the company. The company also highlighted robotaxis rolling out in additional cities in the recent week. Full self-driving subscriptions hit 1.28 million for the first quarter. That's up 51% year over year from 1.1 million in the fourth quarter. The company said it had met new subscriptions for full self-driving in that first quarter. Tesla ended the quarter with digital assets worth 786 million. Now, of course, that's made up predominantly of Bitcoin, ticker BTC. This marks a significantly lower figure than the 1.01 billion in the fourth quarter, with leading cryptocurrency trading lower in the first quarter. So it looks like it's just the move in Bitcoin affecting that value there. Previously reported first quarter production and deliveries were 358,023 units and 408,386 units, respectively. Tesla said it expects volume production of the Cybercab and Tesla Semi, quote, this year. This is a change in the wording from the previous quarter when both vehicles were listed to have production ramps in the first half of 2026. So it looks like it's being pushed out a little bit. The company said the first large-scale Optimus factory will begin in the second quarter with a line designated for 1 million robots a year. This is the Fremont factory line that replaced the production of the Model S and Model X. Tesla is also preparing its Gigafactory Texas for the second generation Optimus line, which will be able to produce 10 million robots annually in the long term. Quote, we are excited about Tesla's positioning in 2026, with tailwinds persisting for the auto business, our continued progress on full self-driving 4, the ramp of robotaxi, the progress on Optimus ahead of mass production, and the growth of our energy production capacity, end quote. So Tesla, I know they're kind of extending some of those timelines. I'll be honest, the market is fairly used to Tesla extending timelines and kicking some of this down the road a little bit. But it does actually sound like they got a pretty good report there. And it sounds like if they're able to ramp this production, we should actually see some better dollar figures here for Tesla. And hopefully sooner rather than later.